guys, welcome to my second review session with CodeCademy. My name is Mukeli. Let's go. So I've already done the exercises for variables, basically primitive variables. So I've learned about ints, I've learned about doubles, I've learned about booleans and strings, which apparently the only primitive types are ints, double, and booleans. Car, to extend to car, but strings are known as objects. So that was a new thing for me, and yeah. So for the review today, and this is a live session, so I'm just live coding at the moment while doing the final exercise. So right now we are required to create and filling variables is a powerful concept that allows us to keep track of all kinds of data in our program. In this lesson, we learned how to create and print several different data types in Java, which we'll use as you create bigger and more complex programs. So we've covered, yes, what I've already told you, strings, double quotes, static typing, which is a safety feature. It's called for declaration. So basically it prevents a program having declaration errors at runtime. So right now you can catch those errors at compile time rather than at runtime. Then variable naming conventions, all you should know about this is Pascal case for classes and camel case mostly for variables. Yeah, so we have prime instructions, which is the file my profile Java contains a class that represents your hiring profile as presented to potential employers. In the main method, create variable called name that holds your name as a sequence of characters. So okay, cool. So in the main, we should just create just one variable called name. So this variable declaration and variable assignment. So right now we have been told to create a variable. So we are creating a variable with our name. So we're doing both. We're declaring and also we are assigning. So name, basically name is gonna be a string because it can be a car. Yeah. So string name is equals to my name. So I'm Kelly. Cool. And then make sure you close the statement. So that should run. Yeah, cool. Create a variable called age that holds your age. Cool. I'm not gonna tell you my age, but anyway, I'm just gonna create the variable. So int age. So basically it's just my profile. So we have then my name, we have age. Since it's an int, let me just hypothetically say that I am in my 20s. Okay, yeah, it's neither here or nor there. So we run this, then create a variable called desired salary. This is interesting. So I can quote whatever salary I want. So desired, this is the good thing about programming, like you can be delusional however you want. So desired salary, okay, it's an int. Int is basically whole numbers. You cannot be paid in I don't know, or rather I don't know, I'm not sure, but it could be a double because if you like, an int has a certain threshold and a double is bigger. So I don't know, create a variable called desired salary that holds your desired salary per year to a precision of 2 decimal points. Cool. So since they've said it's 2 decimal points, your salary, yes, can be a whole number, but it can be bigger. Yeah. So I don't know who gets paid in 100,000 or $1 million dot something, but I know an int has a range, and that range is lower than the double. So the double has the highest. I think it has over 300 zeros positive to the positive end and 300 plus to the negative end. So yeah, that was a mouthful, by the way, but anyway, I was just letting you know why we decided to choose that. So we should, since it's a double, let me say hypothetically my salary is 1 million. So that's 6 zeros. Actually, that's 10 million. Yeah. Let's see. We manifest. Okay. 0.00. Yeah. This is why we say that your desired salary is a double, because it will be 0.00. Anyway, I know you've seen this. If you're getting paid, you've seen this in your paycheck. So yeah, we end the statement. We run again. No errors. Cool. Create a variable called gender that holds a single character. M for female, for male, F for female, and N for none. So I'm just gonna say none. Okay, but I am female, so I do like I am female, so my pronoun is she, her. Yeah. Okay. So car. Gender, is it? Yeah. Gender. This is really cool, by the way. Then it's just for a car we should only have single quotes, not like strings where we had double quotes. So I'm going to just say F as female, and then we run. Create a variable called looking for a job. Yeah, how is that? So a variable called looking for a job that holds whether or not you are currently open to job offers. So this is something that you've seen on LinkedIn, like somebody is open to work. That will be in alignment with what we're trying to do. So that will be a boolean. Yeah, you either are or are not employed, or you either are or are not looking for a job. So that would be a boolean, looking for a job. And as you can see, what we're doing here is, so I was trying to use a Pascal case, but variables we do camel case. So looking for job, call. Then this one, or not, you're currently open. So am I looking for a job? True. Okay, I think that's done. We run. Cool. Yeah, and we are done. So looking forward to the next one where we'll learn more about Java. So we've learned about manipulating variables using Java data types, and I've got over 105 experience points. See you on the next one. See you, girl, Kelly. Cheers.